Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Just imagine if in the next 7 days, you start turning 0002000, how good it will feel, right? In today's video, I am going to share real and practical ways to make money in 7 days. No scam, no fake apps, and no false promises. This video is especially for students, beginners, and anyone who wants to earn online in India. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Disclaimers: 30045. Friends, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to put some effort and consistency. If you are serious about earning, then this video is for you. Day 1. To start with a simple skill. Method 1. Freelancing, 0 per day. Most of you already have some skills like basic typing, Canva designing, video editing, content writing, voiceover. You can use these skills on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. How to start? Create one simple gig. Keep the price low in the beginning. Send daily proposals. Even one order pay.